So the polygons to the right are similar. Find the value of each variable. So we need to find the value of x, and we need to find the value of y. So this triangle right here and the big one, that one, are similar to each other because we know that they have one angle that they share, and then they have two angles that they we know are congruent to each other. So that means that the third pair of angles also has to be congruent. Since all the corresponding angles are congruent, that means they have to be similar to each other. So I can just set up a proportion to figure out what the values of x and y are. So I know that the relationship between x and 48 should be the same thing as the relationship between 25 and 50. And it should also be the same thing as the relationship between y and 14. Okay, so all I need to do is, basically I'm just going to set up two different equations and I'm going to solve them, and then that'll be it. So let's do this one first. So I'm going to do x over 48 is equal to 25 over 50. 25 over 50 is the same thing as 1 over 2 if I simplify it, so that's just going to make the math a little bit easier. So I just need to cross multiply. So 2x equals 48. And then I'm going to divide by 2. So x is equal to 24. And then I'm going to do the same thing for this pair. So I'm going to say 1 over 2, because it's the same thing as 25 over 50, is equal to y over 14. Then I'm going to cross multiply, so 2y equals 14. Divide by 2, divide by 2, y is equal to 7. So I know y is 7, and x is